here. Some technical problem is there. That's why I'm making the second part in this chapter. Okay, I shall continue the same lesson. Okay, dear students, ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಸಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ಮುಂದುವರೆದ ಭಾಗನ ಈಗ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 1 ಮತ್ತು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2. 8 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಶ್ರೀ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಗೋರಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಪ್ರದೇಶವನ್ನು ವಶಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಎಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ plundered over on the Somanatha temple. He plundered over on the Somanatha temple. Somnath temple, and the Saurashtra between 1000 CE to 1026, he plundered the Somnatha temple, carried away the booty and built beautiful mosques in his country. When the Muhammad Ghazni has plundered and destroyed the Somanatha temple in India, they constructed the mosque. Those that amount he has utilized, so constructed the mosque in his native country. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸೋಮನಾಥ ದೇವಾಲಯನ ಮುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಸಂಪತ್ತನ್ನ ಕೊಳ್ಳೆ ಹೊಡೆದು ಆ ಸಂಪತ್ತಿನಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಫ್ಘಾನಿಸ್ತಾನ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಸೀದಿಗಳನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಮಸೀದಿಗಳನ್ನ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ವಿನಿಯೋಗಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಡ್ ನೌ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಇನ್ವಿನರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅಫ್ಘಾನಿಸ್ತಾನ್. ಹಿಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಘೋರಿ. Muhammad Ghori. Muhammad Ghori. Isn't it? Muhammad Ghori was the king of Ghora. He was the king of Ghora. It means the name itself indicates Muhammad Ghori. He was the king of Ghora. He belongs to that name, the Ghora. A small kingdom in Afghanistan. It is also a small kingdom in Afghanistan. Afghanistan. He annexed his territories of Ghazni and ascending the throne in the year of 1173. He ascending the throne. 1173 ತನು ಸಿಂಹಾಸನವನ್ನು ಏರ್ತಾನೆ. He invaded India not only for its wealth but also the extended his empire. When the Muhammad Ghori has invaded on the India by the purpose of two things purpose. One is he looted the wealth of the India, and second one is he extended his empire from Afghanistan to India. Afghanistan, it is our neighbor country, our neighboring country. So the Muhammad Ghori, he has thinking about the India. He extended his empire from Afghanistan to India. ತನ್ನ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನ ವಿಸ್ತರಣೆ ಮಾಡೋಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಭಾರತದ ಮೇಲೆ ದಾಳಿಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. His famous battle was Taraina. He has made the famous battle in Tarain. He fought with the Prithviraj Chavan of Ajmer and ultimately defeated him in 1192. After that, Muhammad Ghori, he has defeated against the Prithviraj Chavan in Ajmer in the year of 1192. The first Taraina war has ended the defeated Muhammad Ghori in that battle. And after that, what happened? So after that, he overran the entire Ganga, Yamuna, Doab, and left his general Kutubuddin Aibak. So the second Taraina war, the Muhammad Ghori has won that battle, and he overthrew the entire Ganga, Yamuna, and Doab. It means So both the rivers they had combined. That is the place Doab. That is name called Doab, and left his general Kutubuddin Aibak. The Muhammad Ghori he has left his general Kutubuddin Aibak. Kutubuddin Aibak to look after all the Indian territories. ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆದ್ದಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಂತಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ತನ್ನ ಸೇನಾಧಿಪತಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕುತುಬುದ್ದೀನ್ ಐಬಕನನ್ನ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ದೆನ್ ದಿ ಪಾಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್. ನೌ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಪಾಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್. ಬಂಗಾಳದ ಪಾಳರು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಪಾಳಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್. ದಿ ಪಾಳಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್. ಓಕೆ, the Palas rose to power in the year of 1750. The Palas has got the power of the Bengal in the year of 1750 after the death of King Harsha. After the death of King Harsha, the people choose Gopala as their post ruler. The Gopala was the post ruler of the Pala dynasty. The people have choose his name. Suppose who is the founder of the Pala dynasty? The Gopala was founder of the Pala dynasty, and his son Dharmapala, after the death of the Gopala, he come to the power. His son Dharmapala has got the power of the Pala dynasty. In the year of 1770, he ruled the Pala dynasty from 1770 to 1810. ಧರ್ಮಪಾಲನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1770ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರವನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಪಾಳ ಡೈನೆಸ್ಟಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರವನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಧರ್ಮಪಾಲನು 770ರಿಂದ 810ರವರೆಗೆ ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಭಾರವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. And contributed to great extent his expanding the Pala dynasty. Dharmapala, the son of Devapala, also extend his Pala dynasty. After the death of the Dharmapala, his son Devapala has become a king of the Pala dynasty. He has also extended his dynasty. He captured area of the present day Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. The Devapala has captured so many places, especially he has captured the present day, we call that the Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Those places, among 3 places they have captured by the son of the Dharmapala was Devapala. And the Palas were the patrons of Buddhism. Dharmapala established the famous Buddhist monastery and university at Vikramasila. The Dharmapala has constructed the monastery and the university at ವಿಕ್ರಮಶೀಲ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಈ ಧರ್ಮಪಾಲನು ಈ ಬೌದ್ಧ ಧರ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಸ್ತೂಪಗಳನ್ನ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಎಸ್, what happens? Let us go on in the next period. Dear students, please you can take the homework. Who was Muhammad Ghazni? Write some places in India captured by Muhammad Ghazni. Then write about Muhammad Ghori. Write about Muhammad Ghori. Please, you can write the answers for 3 questions. Okay? Thank you.